Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Joji the Explorer, and I'm so happy to have you join me today. Today we're gonna explore some places away from Mumbai city. Yes, I'm in Karjat right now. Karjat is in the Raigad district of Maharashtra, not in Mumbai. So Karjat is known for its scenic location and very scenic and picturesque locations. But unfortunately, after reaching here, I came to know this is not the right time to explore Karjat, the beauty of Karjat. Because this extreme summer now, we have to come during rains to explore the beauty of Karjat. So what we're going to do, today we're going to explore the Karjat market. I want to show you how a typical Maharashtrian town looks like, and after that we'll be heading to Matheran, one another popular tourist spot in Maharashtra. So that we're going to do. So please stay tuned. And friends, this is the marketplace next to the Karjat railway station. And this is nothing different here. It's almost similar to any other marketplace in Mumbai suburbs. But the only difference I find here that all the fruits and vegetable vendors selling fruits and vegetables on the sides of the road are directly from various villages in Maharashtra. And so probably they are selling very fresh organic fruits and vegetable, I believe, that you can clearly understand from the size and color of the fruits and vegetable. I'll show you that. These are various shops. These are the various shops you get to see here, like any other area in Mumbai suburb. Garment shops, grocery shops, and so many other businesses. And of course, this sugarcane juice vendor that is everywhere. The sugarcane juice. Okay. And the rest is no difference. The only difference I find, I told you, the fruits and vegetables selling here are fresh and organic. I'll show you that. These are the various shops, all these are grocery shops and various types of shops. There's medical, pharmacy, and all types of shops here. So various types of caps. There's a cap vendor. It's not original caps, branded ones. Okay, that you know. And these are the vegetables I told you. These are the fresh organic vegetables selling on the roadside. And there are several such vendors, especially women vendors selling such vegetables directly from the village areas. This also the fresh organic vegetables. There is another. All these are women selling organic vegetables, and there are several such vendors selling such things. Yeah, here the other one. This one, some other vendor. These are 100% organic vegetables. This is mango. Directly from village. Various villages in Maharashtra. These rest of them are almost same, nothing different. So sugarcane juice during this time, so I'm going to have some juice. A glass is enough. It's also various things, I think, ladies items. This other vendor, fruit vendor here. All these are fresh fruits, organic fruits, 100%. This is also another vendor. This is a vegetable, this is tomato, and these are 100% organic. Okay. See, all these vendors, all these are organic fruit, vegetables. All these are vegetable, organic, directly from the village. This also. Everything here you see, vegetable and fruits are organic fruits and vegetables. And this is a marketplace next to the Karjat railway station. Is grapes, green grapes, jackfruit, And these are garment vendor, garment shop. There's all types of shops here. And there's another vegetable vendor. So various types of vegetables here. Oh, these are 100% organic. And we're heading to the station. Let's go. This marketplace is next to the railway station. Okay, Karjat railway station. All these are various types of shops. I don't want to mention which shops. These are various types of shops, and nothing different. So seafood flower vendor here. It's so popular everywhere in Mumbai and Maharashtra also. In other parts of Maharashtra also, we get to see all this. Flower vendors everywhere. And now this is the Karjat railway station. These mangoes are from village, fresh and organic mangoes. ये सब क्या रेट है भाई? क्या रेट है? क्या? कितने का? 300 रुपया 8 डजन. ओके. हापुस है क्या? Okay, 300 rupees per dozen mangoes. All these are fresh mangoes directly from various villages in Maharashtra. And this is the marketplace next to the Karjat railway station. And friends, this is Karjat station. It's a small station. From here, going to take a train to Neral. And Neral is a place where from there I take a cab to Matheran. Neral is the second station to Karjat. And from Neral, I'll take a cab to Matheran. As I told you, Matheran is one of the most popular tourist place in Maharashtra, so I'm heading to Matheran now. Because I'm on the train right now. On the Karjat station, railway station has 3 platforms. My train is on the 3rd number platform, and we'll get direct trains to CST station from here. There's so much rush. Now finally made to Neral railway station. Neral, you can see the board. Neral, this is Neral Henny area. Neral station. And from here I get to take a cab. I'll take a cab to Mathura. I'm not sure whether I get cab from here right now because it's almost 3:45 p.m. So I had been to this place before, but that was early morning. So now it's afternoon 3:45. So let's try anyway. It's a Neral railway station. You get a flight train from Neral station to Matheran if you reach here early morning around 6-7 a.m. But now it's not possible. Now it's 3:45 p.m. So I have to take a cab. So this flight train is not possible right now. This is the Neral station. I have no plan to visit Matheran today because I have no option, but there are no other places because, after reaching Karjat I came to know there are no, I necessarily wanted to see waterfalls. Karjat is a very beautiful place, but only during rainy season, but not now. It's extreme heat, all waterfalls are dried out, so it's not the right time to explore Karjat. So that's why I'm here in Neral and heading to Matheran. All these cabs are for Matheran, so these are the shake cabs. And now let me try. Friends, I finally made to Matheran. I can feel the difference in temperature right now. It was scorching heat just a while ago. Now I can feel the difference. It's much cooler here. I'll show you the surrounding area. You can see hundreds of cars, hundreds of vehicles parked there. This is the parking area for cars. And one of the interesting aspects of Matheran is that this is the Asia's only automobile-free hill station. Yes, you heard it right. No automobiles are allowed. Beyond this point, this is the last final point of any automobile. And beyond this, no automobiles are allowed. You have to walk on foot or take a. There are several horses available for you. You take a horse or walk on foot. There are the only options available here. Yes, that's a great thing. Okay, I can see the board here, Panorama Point. Let's go and explore what is there exactly. I've been to this place before. I think around 1.5 years back, and this is the second time I'm visiting Matheran. And also, it's a very interesting place. So cool. I feel kind of rejuvenated and refreshed after reaching here and away from the scorching heat of Mumbai and the suburban areas. This is the right place for Mumbai people to come and relax, especially during summer days. It's a very fantastic area, fantastic place. The weather is so cool, and all this flora and fauna, wobbling of birds, various birds, and sighting of various types of these monkeys are so fascinating here. No, I can spot any monkeys right now, but you'll see monkeys occasionally. And weather is fantastic here. Because this Panorama Point is around 2 kilometers from this spot, so I'm walking to that place. I'll show you the scene from here. See, totally jungle area. It's a forest area, and these are dried leaves, and you can see various types of trees and full of amazing flora and fauna, and so cool weather. Enjoying the golden rays of sun peeping through these trees are so amazing sight, especially during early morning and evening. Now this time is close to 5 p.m. Okay, see, this is the area around me. I believe this is the Panorama Point. The view from here is absolutely fantastic, wonderful. See how beautiful it is. As you can see, so many horses here. This for those who don't want to walk, and then you can take a horse. There are so many horses all around, and yes, still let's go and see is there anything else to explore. And this is the I don't know what is this. Yes, I mean water processing unit or something like that. I don't know. There is one toy train station. It's around 2.3 kilometers away from here. Let's go there and take toy train. That's interesting, isn't it? I don't know the timing. Let's go and see. If I am lucky, I'll get a toy train on my return journey to Neral. You can see the board, welcome to Matheran. Yeah. There are several stalls, food stalls, and on this side. This is a toy train station. This is a toy train. a procession of horses. There's so many horses. But like this toy train available only in the morning, not now. So I have to take a cab to the Nerul station. You can also see hand cart like this, hand cart. Manually pulling rickshaw for those who cannot walk or don't want to walk. Anyway, I had no plan to visit Matharan today. It's a totally unplanned visit. I just wanted to explore the entire Karjat area. Since I couldn't make it, I came here directly. This is Matharan Resort by MTDC, Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. You can see several houses like this if you want to stay over. To visit the entire Matharan, it will take around 3 to 4 hours minimum. So I'm not, since I told you it's not a planned visit, I'm not taking the risk right now. Okay, now heading back to my taxi point. And this is the exit. And I finally got this share cab from you. It's a share cab to Nerul station. Yes. So finally made to Nerul station, and from here I'm going to take a CST, Mumbai CST train, and so I'm signing off here, and I'll be back with some other video content. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon next week.